Hey there, tech enthusiasts and DIYers. Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we explore the coolest gadgets and tools. Today, we have something that every tech-savvy person should have in their arsenal: the iFixit Essential Electronics Toolkit. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated with our latest reviews. Let's kick things off with the unboxing. Inside this sleek and compact case, you'll find the iFixit Essential Electronics Toolkit. It's designed for one purpose: to make your electronic repairs a breeze. This toolkit is a complete package. It's not just about opening tools, it includes 16 precision bits made of high-quality S2 steel. These bits are compatible with a wide range of devices, including smartphones like iPhones and Androids, laptops like MacBook Pro and Asus, game consoles like PlayStation 5, and even household fixes. Speaking of compatibility, this toolkit is your go-to for repairing various devices. Whether it's a shattered smartphone screen or a laptop battery replacement, it's got you covered. It works with Apple, Samsung, Huawei, Sony, and many more. What I love about this toolkit is the attention to detail. It's not just a bunch of tools thrown together, it's organized and functional. The foam insert and magnetic closure keep everything securely in place. Plus, the inside of the lid serves as a sorting tray, perfect for those tiny screws you don't want to lose. Consider this your must-have repair tool set. Whether you're fixing a game console, tablet, PC, or tackling household DIY projects, this kit has your back. It's like having a professional repair shop in the palm of your hand. Now, let's talk quality. Those 16 precision bits made of S2 steel are the real deal. They fit perfectly into screws, protecting both the bits and the fasteners from any damage. Plus, all the tools are ESD safe, ensuring you're protected when working with electronics. Here's the kicker: this toolkit's versatility knows no bounds. It's not limited to just smartphones and laptops. You can use it for gaming consoles, tablets, smartwatches, fitness trackers, and even household items. It's a true all-rounder. In conclusion, the iFixit Essential Electronics Toolkit is your ultimate repair companion. With wide compatibility, meticulous organization, and top-notch quality, it's a game-changer for DIY enthusiasts and tech aficionados. So, if you're ready to tackle those electronic fixes like a pro, check the links in the description to get your hands on one. Have you used the iFixit Toolkit before? If so, share your experiences in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more tech reviews. Until next time, this is Product Critique, signing off.